Hello, July 2018 passed away, but the weather is total shit. Usually July should be the hottest and driest month in the year, with the temperatures around and above 35 degrees Celsius. This year, every day it's raining. It rains from the morning. Even now we have some showers. I don't know if we have even 1 or 2 days without rain this month. Easy using the drive service. The climate seems to change to more tropical. I feel like Bangladesian. Jump on a bicycle or a scooter with a rain cover. I don't care. Yesterday somebody asked me, why do you ride a bike in this weather? I have 2 reasons. First, I like it, and second, I have no other option. I like it because I'm riding just from 2 years. This was my dream, and now I enjoy every moment on the saddle. And second, I should do it because I left my car on repair service. I told myself, July's weather is good, I'll leave my car and ride my bike. Yes, but every day rains, and not just short afternoon showers. It rains entire day from the morning. Today I didn't put my rain suit. I told myself it would be few drops. So far so good, but at least I put clear shield. There is no point using the dark visor. This year there is no sun. We'll see how we'll be on the way back. At least now it's dry.
One eternity later.
This afternoon rained a lot. Half an hour before I left work, the sky cleaned, and even we have sun. Nice. Everything is wet, but this is not a problem if we are careful with the throttle. The only bugger is the reflected sun from this wet surface. It blinds me badly. And of course the weather forecast for tomorrow is again rain, as well as the day after tomorrow and next day. So there will be enough water. I'm already close to my home, so I wish you a nice evening. Goodbye.